Hello there. If you're looking to stop using YouTube and delete your account while keeping your Google account, I'm here to guide you through the process. To permanently delete your YouTube account using your mobile app on Android or iOS, follow these steps. Open the YouTube app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on Google Account at the top of the menu. Select Data and Privacy and then scroll down to tap on Data from Apps and Services you use. Now tap on Content Saved from Google Services. Select Delete a Service, then tap on Delete a Service again. Locate YouTube from the list and tap the trash can icon next to it. You'll be prompted with a confirmation message. Select I want to permanently delete my content. To confirm your decision, check the boxes and tap on Delete my content. Enter your email address and tap Delete my content once more. Your YouTube channel and all its content, including likes, comments, and subscriptions, will be permanently deleted. That's it. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We release new tech tutorials every week,